Well, finally made it to Alicante. I've booked into the hotel, as you can see. Very nice. The people I've met as well on the journey down here. When I was in Germany, I was going onto a campsite and I took a wrong turn and I ended up in some fella's, more or less in some fella's garden. And he was saying to me that the campsite's full. They won't let you camp. He said if you can't get on, come back and you can camp in my garden, which I thought was very nice of him. And then in Banyoles, I met a lovely couple, Ian and Jill Sowerby. Jill gave me some washing powder, so I washed my clothes and lent me a little washing line so I could dry them, which was again very nice, and they were a lovely couple. When I got to Salou, my electric hookup what I had was the wrong sort for the camp. I was going to pay €20 for an adapter, and the fella in the tent next to me comes running across. No. Cut my plug off and put a plug of his on, and then wouldn't take it back the next day, which is just as well, because all the campsites in Spain seem to have them little 2-pin plug things. But again, helpful, very helpful. Didn't speak a word of English, but I didn't speak a word of Spanish, so. And then in Calera, packing up, a fella and his wife over across the way from me made me coffee before I was going, talking about wanting to go to the TT races. He lives up in Santander. Told me to call in on my way past and going back on the ferry. I thought, just such nice people all over the place. And the amount of times you think in England you see someone who's foreign, you think ignorant gets don't speak a word of English, you know what I mean? These people, some of them have really gone out of the way to help me out and to look after me, and I really appreciate it all. And now I've got about 4 hours before I have to go and meet Pauline at the airport, so we can enjoy 2 weeks of rest and relaxation. Speak to you later. Bye bye. Right, this is the balcony. That's the view up north, or probably west, sorry. You scan round. That looks a bit tatty. And then that's a cracking view down there. 200 yards from the beach. And down there is where the bike is. Nice cool shade. Lovely.
Wonderful.